Seedream 4.0, New Chinese AI Destroys VO3. Today, I'm going to show you the brand new Chinese AI that just dropped, and it's absolutely insane. This thing called Seedream 4.0 just launched, and it's crushing Google's models in benchmark tests. We're talking about AI image generation that's beating everything on the market. I'm going to break down exactly what this means for you and your business. So here's what happened. ByteDance just released Seedream 4.0, and it's dominating the leaderboards. But here's the thing most people don't know yet. This isn't just another AI image tool. This model just ranked first place on both the artificial analysis text to image and image editing leaderboards. Let me tell you why this matters to you. If you're creating content, if you're running ads, if you're doing anything with visual marketing, this changes the game completely. And I'm going to show you exactly how to use this to make money. First, let's talk about what Seedream 4.0 actually is. It's a text-to-image AI model created by BytePlus. Now, if you don't know BytePlus, they're the enterprise arm of ByteDance. And ByteDance is the company behind TikTok, so these guys know content. But here's where it gets crazy. Look at these benchmark results. Seedream 4.0 scored 1,222 on the ELO rating for text-to-image generation. That beats Google's Imagen 3, which scored 1,175. It beats OpenAI's DALL-E 3, which scored 1,166. It even beats their own previous model, Seedream 3.0, which scored 1,159. And it gets better. For image editing, Seedream 4.0 scored 1,285 on the ELO rating. That destroys Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash, which scored 1,230. It beats OpenAI's DALL-E 3, which scored 1,098. And this thing is crushing everything. Now, I know what you're thinking. What does ELO rating mean? It's like a chess rating, but for AI models. The higher the number, the better the model. And Seedream 4.0 is sitting at the top of both leaderboards. Seedream 4.0 is proof that Chinese companies are leading in AI development. The quality of images this thing can generate is mind-blowing. We're talking about realistic human faces, detailed objects, complex scenes, all from just text prompts. But here's what really matters. How can you use this to make money? And that's what I'm going to break down for you right now. First opportunity, content creation. If you're creating content for social media, blogs, websites, this changes everything. Instead of spending money on stock photos or hiring photographers, you can now generate high-quality images in seconds. You could create dozens of images per day. You could test different styles, different concepts, different approaches, all without a camera, without models, without any equipment. Just your computer and Seedream 4.0. Second opportunity, client services. If you're running an agency or doing freelance work, you can now offer image creation services without actually doing photography. Imagine charging clients thousands of dollars for images that you create with AI in seconds. But here's the catch. Most people don't know about Seedream 4.0 yet. You're getting this information before it goes mainstream. That gives you a massive advantage. Now let me show you what makes Seedream 4.0 different from other AI image tools. First, the benchmark scores. Look at the radar charts. Seedream 4.0 dominates in almost every category. Prompt following, aesthetics, text rendering, structure, alignment. It's beating everything. Second, the consistency. When you edit images with Seedream 4.0, it maintains the original quality while making precise changes. Most other tools mess this up. Third, the detail quality. The images look more realistic than anything we've seen before. The textures are sharper. The lighting is more natural. It's getting close to professional photography quality. But here's what really excites me about this. It's not just about replacing existing image creation. It's about creating new possibilities. Things that were impossible before are now possible. Want to create product mockups for your business, but don't have budget for photography? Use Seedream 4.0. Want to test different ad creatives before investing in actual photo shoots? Use Seedream 4.0. Want to create custom images for your content without paying stock photo fees? You get the idea. Now, where can you actually try Seedream 4.0? You can access it through BytePlus's platform. They're offering the official Seedream 4.0 API, and you can sign up now to try their model with free credits. The link is on their website at byteplus.com. One of the biggest advantages of Seedream 4.0 is how it handles text in images. Look at the benchmark results. It scored highest in text rendering. Other AI image tools struggle when you ask for text to appear in images. Seedream 4.0 gets it right. For example, you could prompt it to create a business sign with specific text, or a book cover with readable title text, or a product label with clear writing. Most AI tools would mess this up. Seedream 4.0 gets it right more often than not. The aesthetic score is also incredible. This means the images look good. They're pleasing to look at. They have good composition, good color balance, good lighting. These are things that matter for business use. But here's something most people miss. The real power isn't in creating random images. It's in creating specific images that solve business problems. Let me give you some examples. Say you're in real estate. You could use Seedream 4.0 to create staging images. Show potential buyers what a room could look like with different furniture. Create marketing images for property listings without hiring photographers. Say you're in e-commerce. You could create product images in different settings. Show your products being used by different people. Create lifestyle shots that would cost thousands with traditional photography, all generated with AI. Say you're creating content. You could create custom thumbnails for your videos, generate unique images for your blog posts, create social media graphics that stand out. The possibilities are endless. And here's the key. You don't need technical skills to use this. If you can write a clear description of what you want, Seedream 4.0 can probably create it. But here's what I want you to understand. We're still in the early days of this technology. Seedream 4.0 is impressive, but it's just the beginning. The companies that start experimenting with this now will have a massive advantage when this technology becomes mainstream, and it will become mainstream. Every major tech company is investing billions in AI image generation. This isn't a fad. This is the future of content creation. So here's what you need to do. First, start experimenting with Seedream 4.0. Get familiar with how it works. Understand its strengths and limitations. Practice writing effective prompts. Second, think about how this applies to your business or your clients' businesses. What images could you create that would drive results? What problems could you solve with AI-generated images? Third, stay ahead of the curve. The AI landscape changes fast. What's cutting edge today might be outdated in 6 months. You need to stay informed about new developments. But here's the thing. Right now, not many people know about Seedream 4.0. That gives early adopters a competitive advantage. But once this technology becomes common knowledge, that advantage disappears. So my advice is simple. Start experimenting now. Learn how to use these tools effectively. Build your skills while the technology is still new. Let me tell you about one more thing. The global implications of Seedream 4.0. This isn't just about creating cool images. This is about the shift in technological leadership. For years, the US has dominated AI development. OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, all American companies. But tools like Seedream 4.0 show that other countries are catching up fast. China in particular is making massive investments in AI. They have different data privacy laws, different cultural attitudes toward AI, and massive government support. This allows them to move fast and take risks that American companies might avoid. And that creates opportunities for all of us. More competition means better tools, lower prices, and faster innovation. We're entering a golden age of AI tools, but it also means you need to stay informed about developments from around the world. The next breakthrough might come from China, Europe, or anywhere else. You can't just focus on Silicon Valley anymore. If you want to learn more about using AI tools like Seedream 4.0 to grow your business, I've got you covered. First, join my AI Profit Boardroom at school.com/AI Profit Lab 7462. This is where entrepreneurs gather to share the latest AI strategies. It's the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Second, check out my free AI Money Lab. Inside, you'll get 50+ free AI tools and 200+ ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to make money with AI agents, get 1,000+ free N8N workflows, 200+ ChatGPT prompts, and get a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. What you'll also get is a free AI community, free AI course, and proven AI case studies. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think about Seedream 4.0. Are you going to try it? What images would you create? I want to hear from you. And if this video helped you understand this new AI tool, hit that like button and subscribe for more. AI updates. I release new content every week covering the latest developments in AI and how you can use them to grow your business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.